Hello, dear beautiful ladies. Very warm welcome to our review on the journey of fashion and styles with Freelanas. I hope so you all are fine, good, enjoying the right good conditions of your health and doing well. So, dear beautiful ladies, in my today's video, we are going to exploring the more stylish and amazing versatile collection of formal dresses for dear beautiful ladies and girls. So, formal dress is a type worn for special occasions, such as weddings, yokolas, or necktie events, and it is typically characterized by elegant fabrics and sophisticated designs and classic styles and luxurious embellishments designs. So the formal dresses execute refinement bows and sophistications, making them perfect for high and even higher special occasions. Beautiful styles, beautiful designs of long gown style dresses and long maxi styles formal dresses today. We are going to explore in my today's video. So it's more than 100 plus styles and designs of dresses today I have collected for you. Within different colors, different styles, different designs, amazing color combinations, amazing stitching techniques, and versatile styles and designs of formal dresses. You are going to find out maxi style dresses, gown style dresses, inner style dresses, flare dresses, all over print style dresses, blend fabric style dresses, floral patches, beautiful styles, beautiful necklines, beautiful sleeve styles, for enhancing your party wears, for enhancing your wedding wears looks and styles, party wear dresses. You will be find out silk fabric style dresses, chiffon fabrics, silk fabrics, Northern style dresses, memory style dresses, and ballroom style dress design ideas for your enhancing your formal look and styles. I hope so, dear beautiful ladies, you are going to love the styles and designs of these formal wears, wedding wears, party wears, beautiful styles and designs of dresses. I love the styles, I love the colors. I love the designs and stitching that ideas of these dresses, and I hope so you will love the styles and designs too. So must watch video till the end for getting new styles and designs of party wears, long dresses. Don't forget to tell me in the comment section which one article of my today's video you love most, whether it's the colors, the styles, the designs, which styles of collection, which styles of dress you love most in my today's video. Tell me all this in comment section. This would be a very helpful for me for making my videos according to your options, according to your opinions. And don't forget, if you are new on my channel, so please do also subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of my videos. So after getting the notifications of my videos to you beautiful ladies, dear viewers, you will never miss any idea collection of style and design on my channel. So in summer season, chiffon fabric, silk fabric are best choice for enhancing your styles and look for your formal wears, for your party wear look, for your wedding dress styles, dresses. These dresses are lightweight, comfortable to wear in summer seasons. Full sleeve styles, half sleeve styles, off the shoulder styles, beautiful neckline styles. For exploring the versatile collection, the amazing styles, the amazing designs, some more amazing styles of dresses, to visit my channel and watch the videos of fashion and styles with Freelanas. I have already uploaded a huge collection of dresses on my channel. So you will refine out casual to formal wear dresses for enhancing your styles and look for your different client wears. So you will find out the maxi dresses, gown style dresses, party wear dresses, mother of the bride dresses, workwear dress design ideas for the beautiful ladies and girls. Dress collections, bed collections, or lot of new ideas, new styles and designs of dresses. You will be exploring on my channel on daily basis. So must visit on my channel, watch the videos of fashion and styles. I hope so. Those videos will also be useful for you, helpful for you, and you will get new ideas, new styles and designs of dresses from those videos. So today's the purpose of making this video is just to give you knowledge about the formal dresses, about the party wears, gown styles, maxi style dresses, so that you will get new styles, new knowledge, new designs of foam fabric, georgette fabric, and silk fabric of formal wears, party wear dress designs, long dresses, maxi dresses. I hope so. You will love these styles, you will love the designs, and you will love the ideas of my today's video. I'm very thankful to you for your kind appreciation of my previous videos. Thank you so much for your kind support, and thank you so much for your positive feedback on my channel. I have collected more than 100 styles and design ideas for formal wear dresses, so that you people get the new styles, new designs of formal wears, party wears, dresses, formal attires, outfit for beautiful ladies and girls. Must watch video till the end. Thank you so much for watching my video. Keep visiting on my channel for more collections, for more ideas, for more styles, for more designs. Don't forget to like and share my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. And also giving your feedback in the comment section if it works. So thank you so much for watching my video. See you soon in the next video. So till then, take good care of yourselves. Goodbye. Enjoy the video till the end.